Laying the big rectangle. Once the first row of supports has been completed, climb up and lay the second row. Prepare 5 support profiles and 5 primary brackets identified by the digit 1. You do not have to put support clamps onto the intermediate brackets. Screw the first outermost bracket to the roof slope with 4 screws. It will determine the reference position for you. Determine the position of the brackets using the gauge. The brackets are pre-screwed using 2 screws and a low torque for the time being. In this way, you obtain the so-called large triangle. That is, a set of supports accommodating 2 photovoltaic panels. This segment is crucial for the correct positioning of all the other supports. At this stage, it is necessary to verify the diagonals. As you did before, check the distances between opposite main brackets using the measure. Only after you've ensured that the diagonals are identical, fix all the brackets permanently to the roof.